guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna make 2 mug cakes, so let's get started. First, we're gonna need 1/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon of flour. I also added in 1/4 cup of sugar, then we sift it. Then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Then we're gonna add 1/4 tablespoon of baking powder and 1 pinch of salt. Then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Whoopsie, spill some oil. Then we're gonna add 1/4 cup of whole milk. Now we're gonna go ahead and mix all of them together. You're gonna add some chocolate chips. Add as much as you can because we want it to be very, very chocolatey. Now we're gonna put the chocolate batter in the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Now we're gonna add some decorations to the mug cake. So we added whipping cream and sprinkles. Oops, the whipping cream kind of fell, so yeah. And then we're gonna add some chocolate sprinkles to it. Now we're gonna see how it turned out. Wow, looks so yummy. I can't wait to try it. Time for the mug pizza. Yay. So first we're gonna add 4 tablespoons of flour, then sift it. After that, we're gonna add 1/4 tablespoon of baking soda and 1/4 tablespoon of baking powder. Then we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of milk. Then we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Then we're gonna mix it all together. Oops, almost forgot. We have to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Let's mix it again. After that, we're gonna add pizza sauce. Then we added cheddar cheese, oregano, and toppings. For that, we added jalapeno, onions, and olives. Then we put it in the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. This pizza looks so yummy. I can't wait to try it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. I love you guys. Bye.